Yeah, you're getting scores, Laura. You're doing a good job.
I can't do that part.
It looks like you broke your leg. Do you like broke your leg?
I can't do this either. Are you really posting?
I'm not going to post this.
But it'll be funny to laugh at later, Laura. Yeah, I'm so bad at recording.
Oh wait, I'm behind.
These are perfect for when she finds a man and we can pull this out. Oh my god.
What? I can't do this. I'm wrong. I'm in last place. I'm tired. Hold on, wait.
It's a good workout.
Oh my god.
Okay, Mom, you need to go sit down because you're in the background of all this. Yes.
Yay. I can't do this. I am horrible at this. I can't do that part. It hurts my legs. Okay, I'm done.
It's always gone. So good.
You're not a norm. Baby, not a norm. Don't be the norm. Be the norm. Korean that.
Okay, I'm tired.